So it's been a while since Xiaomi released its first edition of Huami Amazfit Smartwatch. Now Xiaomi has finally decided to release the second version of it, and now I have one of here with me, unopened, still wrapped, brand new. I haven't even touched it yet, so let's unwrap it and figure out how it works out. I'm gonna open it carefully. I'm not really good at this. Okay, unwrap it, still brand new. So now we have it here, unwrapped, ready to be opened. But first, let's read out something that it's already included here at the front of its box. It says here it includes multi-sport tracking function, heart rate tracking, GPS, notifications, VO2 max, 5 ADM water resistance, which means it could go as deep as 50-meter depth of water, onboard music, and up to 5 days of battery life. So let's open it up. Now it's here. So before we actually take it out and test it out, I'm gonna talk a little bit about the specs of this upgraded Xiaomi Huami Amazfit Smartwatch 2. It got a 1.34-inch OLED screen, polished chromatic bezel, 316L stainless steel navigation button here on the side. Here, very nice to press on. 512 megabytes of RAM and 4 gigabytes of storage. 220 milliamps battery with 2 hours charging times. For those of you who are not very familiar about smartwatch or never used it before or not really familiar about the idea of 220 milliamps, it usually lasts for like 50 hours of normal regular use, about 35 hours of a very intense usage, which is very considerably battery amount. Inside is powered by a 1.2 GHz dual-core CPU with 11 kinds of sports activity modes, including running, walking, climbing, swimming, and etc. Compared to the version 1 of Xiaomi Huami Amazfit, it provides a relatively advanced metrics such as oxygen uptake, which is the VO2 max, exercise effect, exercise load, and recovery time. As for compatibility, it is compatible for Android users, it's 4.4 and above. For iPhone users, it's compatible with iOS 9.0 and above. So that's pretty much about the spec and the unboxing. Now let's figure out how it works out.